To what extent is morality objective? To what extent are people expected to infringe their morality on other people? So if there's this video engibonile of a Kumari goddess. So a Kumari, like Umtana, is a young lady from the ages of 2 until the ages of 13. So Umtana lo, abambiza ngokuthi Kumari, a goddess, while she's still a Kumari, she's not supposed to touch the ground. She's not supposed to speak. She's not supposed to smile. She's not supposed to live njengomuntu like normal, yabo. So to me, that ain't wrong because ngiphuma South Africa and our culture and our belief system and our morality ayizenzi izinto ezinjalo, yabo. So the question is, to what extent is morality subjective? Like dating this culture, for example, is it objectively wrong ukuthi umntana akumelanga smile, umntana akumelanga touch the ground, umntana kumele ahlezi akokiwe until I reach a certain age? Is it like objectively wrong, or is it a subjective thing based ukuthi ngoba mina I'm from this cultural context? So to what extent is morality an objective thing? Is morality completely objective, or is morality subjective based on a culture and nama beliefs akho? Like ikhona into esingasho ukuthi there is objectively wrong, or everything is subjective based on where you come from and how you were raised.